What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. We're actually gonna hike to a waterfall today. We're here at Lytle Creek, California. There's the creek. It's actually pretty nice. It's pretty cool right here, right next to the creek. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button. Lets me know that you care. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you guys don't miss out on anything. Just take a second, guys. It's free. Doesn't take very long. Just a second or two. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you guys don't miss out on anything. Also share the video. Let's get started. Alright, so I just walked through that. I didn't bring no water shoes with me. Darn it, I don't even know if I have water shoes. Should have at least brought sandals and taken my shoes off. That would have been the smart thing to do. But it feels pretty darn good, I have to be honest. And that's where we're going, guys. Bonita Falls. It's off that way. So I think we got to go around this little mountain hill area. And the hill is, or the waterfall is nestled up into the canyon there. Now this is the only bad thing about up here is, I mean, we're so close to a major city that I've heard there's a lot of tagging up here. But we made a little bit of progress. Very little. Alright, so if you guys ever come out here and you see this, this was not us. Somebody tagged LA and then somebody tagged 909 over it. Alright guys, so we're almost there. And because we hardly ever get any exercise, it is kicking our butt. We found a little shaded spot.
And it's pretty cool, and I really
We're gonna take a little rest.
Look at P's feet.
Yeah, I seen her. My mom's taking the worst beating.
Daddy,
Gets the least amount of exercise.
Paisley's been falling pretty hard, huh, Mom?
So she had to keep stopping, taking a. Look at this cool shirt, guys. You can get it out of our store. Down the description below. As long as this, as well as this one here.
Pete.
But anyways, yeah, we had to keep taking, stopping and taking little breaks because everybody's overheating. Throw some water on us. We were debating to stop and have lunch right here, but everybody wants to get to the falls, so
We couldn't.
here we go. Alright, so we found this little, like a secret area. Sorry, it's a little wobbly, guys. Just a little winded. It's not the most beautiful spot, but it's actually really cool in here. Alright guys, I think my blood sugar is a little low. I'm not diabetic, but you know, that just happens sometimes, being human. But I can see the waterfall from here. See if we can zoom in on it for you guys. See? We're almost there, but I know it doesn't show on camera, but this is like the steepest part. So we're just gonna take a little rest. Britt's not feeling that great. Nobody's feeling that great. We're not in shape to be doing this, and this is only like a 1.5 mile hike. 2, and then a 1.5 mile hike out of here. 3 mile round trip. All right, we're pretty much there, but wow, it's beautiful, guys. Check it out. Look at that. And there you go, guys. We finally made it. We'll probably stop right here and have lunch. And then we got people down there already. So I don't want to be in their way, and I don't want them to be in mine either. But we can get there after lunch. Alright guys, we're finished with lunch. We're feeling a little better. My mom's gonna stay here where we were having lunch. We're going to see how close we can get to this waterfall. There's actually a lot of people here now. And they're kind of everywhere, but oh well. It is what it is. Yeah, this water is icy. Look guys, see this crap? If you guys come out here, pick up your trash. It's not cool.
So if you come out here and if you throw trash, don't do it because there is a lot of trash here.
Let's see. Again, every time I look up at that, it's like, wow, it's not something you see every day. It's over 100-foot waterfall. Oh. Good. Uh-huh. Be careful, Tommy. You guys, there's trash everywhere here. Look at glass.
You have to be respectful sometimes.
And this water is freezing. Hey Holly, we didn't bring towels.
Huh?
We didn't bring any towels for you to dry off. I'm just kidding, we got a towel for you. Holly's coming down Goonie style. Not as fast as them though. That would be so cool to find a water slide like there is in the Goonies. Alright, now that it's cooled off and we've ate a little something, we enjoyed ourselves, it's time to start making our way back out of here. I think it's about 5:30 in the afternoon, so it's going to be dark here in about 2 hours. Should take us less than an hour to get back to the car. So we're making a journey out of here. Alright guys, we made it back down out of that little canyon, working our way back down the creek to head back to the car. But before we get to the car, we're gonna stop and hang out at the main creek, Lytle Creek, and just chill. It's not nearly as hot as it was when we were hiking up, so it's gonna be a much more comfortable hike down. Just like that, the sun is going down. And it's like instantly at least 10 degrees cooler when that sun is not shining directly on you. Finally found a little bit of a flatter surface to walk on instead of over all those big rocks. Again, sorry about the shaky footage, guys. The sun came, well, I guess we moved out of the shadow of the mountain right there. That one there. The sun's back out and it's hotter than heck. Walk ahead of everybody a little bit so I can get a good shot. Probably maybe 20-25 yards from the creek. Can hear it, can see it. Feel like I'm back in civilization. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. It's kind of a brutal hike. It's marked as moderate on the All Trails app. It wasn't an easy hike, but it wasn't hard. It wasn't super hard. It was hard for us because we're pretty out of shape. But Lytle Creek, I rarely come up here, and I think this is the most water I've ever seen this creek have. It's almost like a river. But anyways, if you like the video, give it a like. Go ahead and comment down below. Let us know if you know of any cool little creeks like this in the Inland Empire or High Desert. I doubt there'd be anything in the High Desert. There might be one that I know of, but anyways, subscribe, hit the bell button so you guys don't miss out on anything. It's free, guys. Just subscribe. It takes 2 seconds out of your time. And share the video. That's what helps us grow. Thanks for watching. Scoot up. You gotta scoot.